3, 2, 1.
What was the name of the first captain of the USS Enterprise NCC 1701 in the Star Trek TV series? The answer is A. Robert April. In the TV comedy series, Allo, Allo, what was the name of Rena Artois' wife, played by Carmen Silvera? The answer is D. Madame Edith. Which is most harmful to a human? The answer is A. Dynamite going off. A young man is seen standing before a Mahi. What happens next? The answer is A. Then runs down the mat and performs flips. Who is Bill Clinton's running mate in the 1992 U.S. presidential election? The answer is A. Al Gore. What controls the shape of a developing zygote early in its development? The answer is D. Gap genes. What legislation was passed to discourage the country from getting involved in a foreign war? The answer is B. Neutrality Acts. What is the official language adopted by the German government? The answer is D. German. Organize game pieces. How would you do this? The answer is A. Store in empty contact lens container. Frida Kahlo, famous for her paintings, many of them self-portraits, was married to which other artist? The answer is A. Mexican painter Diego Rivera. Places like Spain and parts of France effectively go by DST in the winter, but add what in the summer? The answer is A. An extra hour. Among the Southeast Asian countries, which one is densely populated? The answer is C. Indonesia. How many people were missing from the palace in the 2014-2015 fiscal year? The answer is A. 476,000 people. Which one of these is not among the three most common gases of the Earth's atmosphere, instead being the most abundant chemical in the universe? The answer is A. Hydrogen. What is a simple sugar such as fructose or glucose? The answer is D. Monosaccharide. Wordsworth Coleridge, who was the third of the Lake Poets? The answer is D. Southey. When did modern physics arise? The answer is C. Early 20th century. What is the official residence of the governor? The answer is C. Plantation House. Urban Wisley is named after a county in which American state? The answer is A. Kentucky. What was opened by a member of the Minnesota Timberwolves? The answer is D. Crawford Court. What was Nigeria's region called by the British before the name Nigeria? The answer is C. Central Sudan. Who said do or do not? There is no try. The answer is B. Yoda. What company is Kodak the CFO of? The answer is A. Activision Blizzard. What is the name of G.K. Chesterton's detective priest? The answer is C. Father Brown. Which Iranian scientist discovered HbA1c to further treatment and research of diabetes? The answer is B. Samuel Rabar. What development by the Sumerians allowed them to make use of domes? The answer is A. The arch. What may be a valid fact about my brother? The answer is A. He makes my mother and I unhappy. What math competition has Russian as an official language? The answer is D. International Mathematical Olympiad. In what year was the Dorset and Somerset Air Ambulance Organization formed? The answer is A. 2007. In what year was the agreement to allow the Saarland settlement reached? The answer is D. 1604. Who is sabotaging all monetary policy? The answer is C. The Executive Board. James Bond beats the villain at what game in the movie Goldfinger? The answer is D. Golf. What was the name of the scarecrow in Bob the Builder? The answer is A. Spud. When can players move the ball in no direction? The answer is A. The pitch. The discovery site of which species was listed by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site in 1987? The answer is B. Peking man. How much money was in the briefcase for the ransom? The answer is C. $1 million. What is the imaginary term for a pulmonologist? The answer is B. Lung physician. Who said all I need to make a comedy is a park, a policeman, and a pretty girl? The answer is B. Charlie Chaplin. Mescaline, a hallucinogenic compound, occurs naturally in several species of which plants? The answer is A. Cactus. Vestophobia is the fear of what? The answer is B. Clothing. What do the Americans call what we call a curriculum vitae? The answer is A. Resume. How many institutions comprise the Association of American Universities membership? The answer is D. 62. His poem is considered the first kind of what type of protest? The answer is D. Nonviolent. By what collective name, referring to the town in North Wales where they settled, were the aristocratic eccentrics Lady Eleanor Butler and Miss Sarah Ponsonby known in the 18th century? The answer is B. Ladies of Angolan. What does the facade of St. Denis combine pyramids with what other style arch? The answer is A. Pointed arches of the Gothic style. The use of inexpensive labor in Asian countries by footwear companies based in the United States and Europe is an example of which of the following? The answer is B. Global division of labor. Why didn't the Japanese launch their planned attack on September 20, 1945? The answer is D. Japan surrendered 5 weeks earlier. The anxiety treatment drug diazepam was originally marketed under what name? The answer is A. Valium. The only fruit to have its seeds on the outside is a what? The answer is B. Strawberry. Who is the special delivery for?